Hello, I just bought a house with an in-ground pool. I was cleaning the salt generator when the hot and common wires came off. I'm told if I mix them up, I'll ruin my chlorinator. There's a brass bar connecting 2 poles and a taller bar. I connected the hot wire to the brass bar and the common to the taller one, but I'm nervous to turn it on because I don't know if it's right. It's an Astral series salt chlorine generator. Customer service for Astral cannot answer my question, so I'm hoping you know. Here is the reference photo. And what would you do, pool guy?
Well, I would, before I even look at this and make a recommendation, I would make sure that you talk to technical support at Astral. Customer service probably doesn't know, but there has to be an engineer, a technical person that can look at this and tell you which the right one is. I'm not even going to pretend to know without being in it and on it and looking at it directly. While I can look at a photograph, and I got my glasses here to look at a photograph, when I see this, there's no way of me knowing if this is right or wrong. So I'm not going to give the advice to just go ahead and plug it in and see what happens. I think you should be able to continue to go after Floridra or Astral and say, I want technical advice, and somebody's got to be able to look at this photo and say, yes, that's right, or yes, that's wrong. But me looking at it, I could very easily give you the wrong advice without, it doesn't affect me. I give you the wrong advice, then it's screwed up, that's on you, it's not on me. So I don't want to do that to you. I think that you have to stay on Astral and say, I need a technical person, because they do have technical people. This is a big freaking company. There's somebody that understands this stuff and that can look at this photograph and say, yes, that's right, or no, that's wrong. So sorry that I can't be any more help than that, but I don't recommend you just plugging that sucker in and hoping it works.